Guys, welcome to Day in the Life with me. And today, I'm late to feed the chickens, and I gotta get them food. So this is what I'm doing. I made a video earlier, but I failed it because I accidentally turned it off. Ah, dang it. Chicken, no, you have to stay in the... No! Please, go back inside. All you guys, I'm trying to bring you food. I need to put this camera down for a second. Where to put it? Good angles. Here. Okay. I put the camera down, as you might tell. Dang it, it's falling. Dang it, hold on. Can't freaking... what kind of yell was that? Jesus. Okay, that's good angle. That's all I can do. Please don't peck my camera. Okay, bring it in their food. Hey, chickens. Camera on me. Hi. You got the food? Food, putting it in their pail that they knocked down. No, chicken, no, 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 dang it. How many have we got now? Is it 2 or is it 1? Is it just 1? Dang it, let me get my camera. I left the door open and one of the chickens got out. Great, and I'm recording a video, so this isn't the best time. Where to put this, where to put this, where to put this? Not over there. Okay, can I just... No, it's not a good idea. Wait, set it down right here. Probably followed the rubble. Okay, I need a cameraman. Jesus. You know what? Whatever. I'll leave the door open. He'll come in when he wants. I mean, she. Pardon me. Excuse me, chicken. The only way you guys are gonna end up getting food is by coming inside. So. Excuse me, honey. Excuse me, honey. Excuse me, Henny. Penny, Henny, Wenny, Wenny. Okay. Okay, so I got the pail. They dumped it all out. I'll cut back on more food. I know that's not enough. Please scoot back. Please scoot back. Be like her. She's not way too close to me. Okay, I'm gonna take your eggs in, okay? Standard procedure, like every day. Hey, back. I saw you running. No, we can't afford anyone else. Sorry, did I hit you? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'll actually leave that open because, what's it called? The other chicken has to come in and they rely on food, so the only way is in. Oh, dang it, that sounded just dirty. So this is what they look like in the hen coops. Get back inside. Here's the other egg. Hold on. I'm holding the camera by one hand. Trying to get the best angle. Can't do it. That was loud. Please, chicky. No. You know what? Fine. Whatever. Yeah, and then they got their food. I mean, their eggs. I'm recording a YouTube video. You're in it now. Hi, Grandpa. Just so you know, all the chickens got out. Hi, Grandpa. Okay. The eggs. They got trash. Oh, camera now. Yeah, so we set the camera down somewhere. Where do I put it? Hi, Dad. You're in a YouTube video. It's peeled out to get the egg out. That egg's cracked, but it's the best we could do. That was feeding the chickens with me, and I said, day in my life. But no. Gotta get the food. Hi, Dad.
You hear the birds that are inside?
Yeah.
The wall?
Yeah, I hear them.
They're in that little hole over here.
This is a good YouTube video. I already got stuff. And my content and my videos suck, so this is good. Where?
They're in that hole.
Oh yeah, I know that. They've been there. There's always a nest there, but then they left, and then they came back apparently. So
Hey,
could be
I'm
that.
gonna take a shower. Go take care of the kids, yeah?
Okay. Putting my camera up. The ceiling looks. House is haunted. Okay. Got the pail. Getting more food. Okay, I really have to put this camera down. This is me trying to get some with a camera on. So let me just put this down real quick. Okay, still got a little bit of food, but that's all I need. Hi, Grandpa. You're in my YouTube video. You're in my YouTube video now. Yeah. Yeah, look, it's a YouTube video.
Oh, yeah.
You're in my YouTube video now. My step-grandpa. But I call him Grandpa because I don't feel bad. And also because I love him. So here's the food I was able to get holding a camera. Every single chicken is out, except that one. That one has a brain, is going inside. You guys, you know what, keep doing what you're doing. You're getting lots of food from the environment. Whatever. Do your thing. Hey, honey, honey, hun, hun. Well, you're terrified of me, aren't you? Okay. Put the food in. Got one chicken in. All the rest are being jerks and are staying out of their pen. If only Lola was a sheepdog. Not those ones that are really saggy, but the ones that like herd stuff. Hey, Mabel. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. So, I want my content to be more fun. So I might end up creating skits. Maybe even show my face more. I don't know. But hey, I'm freaking ugly. So I don't know if I will. Let's see what to do now. What do I do on a regular basis? I draw. Maybe I'll show my drawings. Oh, jeez, guys, I'm recording a video. Please be quiet. You guys yell a lot. No! It's so dark in the video or the camera. Here's one Undertale. Add Sans. Once again. Undertale. Undertale. Evertale. Pokemon. Something my friend made. She